Hello everyone and welcome to the IAMT TV interview. My name is Riikka Koponen. I'm the principal analyst at our business intelligence unit, and I'm really delighted to be here at Broadcast Asia in Magewell's booth, which is actually for the first time here at Broadcast Asia, and very happy to also meet Gina from Magewell. Welcome to the interview.
Hello. Hi, I'm Gina. I'm the account manager for Southeast Asia market. So it's the first time for Magewell being here at Broadcast Asia. So I'm here at Magewell booth at Broadcast Asia 2026.
So even though first time the booth is here, but Magewell is not a new in the industry. You have been operating over 10 years. So could you please introduce a bit what you do and your company, please?
Okay. Actually, Magewell is the manufacturer and designer of video, I/O, and IP workflow solutions. Actually, we have more than a decade in the overseas markets, and we have a long presence in Southeast Asia market as well. Yeah, so.
Very interesting, because I also know that you're very well presented in the Western markets as well. So looking at now the market here, what is new for Magewell here in Broadcast Asia?
Today we are bringing our next generation IP decoders. The next generation IP decoders are actually built on Magewell's proven, reliable, easy to use, and widely supported ProConvert decoders. It features expanded video IP protocol, in adding the ZXC and RIST, and also video format, like we're supporting HDI10, HLG, and also more flexible output options, including single view, picture-in-picture, and quad view. Yeah, and we also bring here a brand new version of Control Hub software. If you're not familiar with Magewell Control Hub software, it is actually a device and stream. It is actually a centralized device and streams management software. Yeah, which can be deployed either on premise server or in the cloud. So customers can register all major IP devices to this software, configuring and controlling them all under a single dashboard. Yeah. So if you have a remote production, so you can actually be accessing to your IP devices through this software. Okay.
Very interesting, and also something that is very in line with our research as well, that remote production is really important technology in the tech roadmaps currently, bringing flexibility and also efficiency when you can, of course, produce remotely and do more events doing more with less or the same resources. Very interesting. And now when we're in Southeast Asia, as you are already very experienced in operating in other markets, also having here a strong presence, what is your message for this market specifically? Because of course there are also regions are always a little bit different and customers' needs vary across different geographies. So what is your message here in Asian market, please?
Okay, yeah. As I just mentioned, that Magewell has a long presence in this market, but most of the customers get to know Magewell through our USB capture devices. Yeah. But actually, Magewell has more than that. Yeah. Now we have a complete workflow of AV over IP. Yes. Yeah. So I just want to let the customers in this region know that if you have any requirements to bridge any source types, no matter it's AV signals or IP sources, to any destination, whether it's software or device, you can come to Magewell, and we are very glad to help. And also, Magewell is very dedicated to channel sales, and we are working very hard to enhance a solid channel partner network here in this region. Okay.
Very interesting. Excellent. I'm quite curious about the products we are surrounded with. So could you briefly just introduce a little bit like what you are showcasing here at Broadcast Asia, please?
Okay, sure. Yeah. So So here you can see we are showcasing our three particular product lines. The first is our flagship product line, the capture, the IO product line. So we have a wide variety of different models covering different video input interface as well as different resolution. So, and also divided by different host interface, we have the internal PCIe cards and external USB capture dongles, as well as this tiny M.2 capture cards. Okay. So here is our streaming encoders, the Ultra Encode family. So it actually can bridge your video sources like HDMI or SDI to IP streams, and it supports H.264 and H.265 coding format, and also a wide range of different IP protocols, including NDR-HX3, NDR-HX2, SRT, RTMP, etc. And in that area is our Pro Convert IP converters. So we have both standalone encoders and decoders, and we also have modules, encoding and decoding modules, which can be inserted into the major high density rack mount form factor more data to you. So for this product line, we also bridge the AV signals to IP workflows, making the transition to AV over IP extremely affordable and easy. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. That's really, really interesting. And I also saw that your products are supporting NDI, SRT, Dante. So very good reference that you have several IP protocols supported in your products, and that's also very important to ensure interoperability and all of that. Yes, great. Thank you so much for your time and the introduction. Thank you very much. And for our IAMT TV interviews, please stay tuned and see more exciting videos and also member encounters and discussions on our website. Thank you once more for this great discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.